I'm Neil the Nature Man, and in this first part of this one-part series, we examine extreme tweeting. So what makes an extreme tweeter extreme? Well, the extreme tweeter is not satisfied with simply tweeting in a library or at a Starbucks, but they find themselves out in the most extreme situations. The woods, jungles, precariously perched in ponds. But the problem is with extreme tweeting is that they pose a danger to themselves and to others. So, if you see an extreme tweeter, bear this in mind. They're dangerous. They're willing to take risks that might harm you or themselves.